Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here I'm gonna show you the baby that I'm gonna be reborning soon. Well, I'm gonna start today the process, of cleaning the kit and neutralizing it and so on and on and on. So this is a limit time edition reborn doll kit that I have purchased a while back. You guys haven't seen it yet, so I'm gonna be showing you this special kit. She's so cute. So there she is. She has the gorgeous brown eyes. She's super soft, albino. Her hands are so soft. She has one open hand. She has a lot of wrinkles. A lot of wrinkles there. Look at the hand. This is her. Her name is Millie. See the certificate of authenticity? So she's number 72 of 10. See her hand? So wrinkled. Super cute. So let me get her out of these super cute PJs. It says be cute. And that's what she is. She's a super cute, a baby. She's so sweet. She's so sweet. Look at that. So let me remove this so you can see her. She's not weighted yet. But I like her size. She only has the fiber fill, and you can see here her full legs, and look at her feet. So cute. Look at them. I like them. And this is my baby that I'm gonna be reborning pretty soon. Look at her. And she's cute. She's so sweet. I like her size. And that she's so soft, so soft vinyl. Oh, my baby Millie. This is Millie. Millie say, hi, I cannot wait for my mom to reborn me. To give me some color, to bring me alive. I'm too pale. I need some color. See her? She has full arms. Love her so much. The legs, and I love the body, the way it's designed. So yes, this is my limited edition Millie. She's by Olga. I don't know how to pronounce that. She's by Olga Auer. I don't know. But yeah, this is my baby Millie that I'm gonna be reborning. She's gonna be so cute, so cute, so cute, so cute. So yes, you guys, thanks for watching. God bless. Stay tuned to see the progress of this adorable limited edition reborn kit. Thank you guys. Bye.